make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
Let's go.
Alright, so I wanted to tell you a little bit about Size. It's a brand new hip-hop workout. It has some jazz funk in it, and you don't need to be an expert to do this. You don't need to be a dancer, you don't need to be anything. All you need to do is have fun with it. In the Size class, it breaks down everything from the simplest move, and then by the end of the Size class, you learn a whole routine.
Cute face, chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow popper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper, do my thing. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't everybody here, get your best off the wall, 'cause misdemeanor said